most capable, most feature-packed Hero camera ever. This is Hero12 Black. It's compact, durable, and designed to withstand the most extreme environments. And it's waterproof down to 33 feet without a housing. Hero12 Black is the world's most versatile camera, with built-in mounting for compatibility with over 40 GoPro mounts and accessories. All this makes it easy to capture unimaginable perspectives in places only a GoPro can go. Let's go under the hood and take a look at what makes Hero12 Black the most capable Hero camera ever. Hero12 Black's power management has been re-engineered from the ground up to deliver up to 2 times longer runtimes. More efficient processing allows Hero12 Black to shoot up to 70 minutes in 5.3K 60 and 155 minutes in 1080p 30. And with the included Enduro battery, you'll get long-lasting power, even in cold temperatures. New HDR video brings your footage to life like never before in brilliant 5.3K 30 and 4K 60. By combining multiple exposures into a single frame, HDR provides more vivid color and more even exposure. Hero12 Black offers video resolutions and frame rates that rival cinema cameras in a pocket-sized form factor. Its industry-leading image quality allows you to capture incredibly immersive video. Capture unmatched detail and image quality with full-frame 5.3K, delivering 3 times the resolution of 4K and 12 times the resolution of HD. Slow things way down. Shoot 8x slow-mo in 2.7K 240 and 4x slow-mo in stunning 4K 120. And grab any moment with 24.7 megapixel photos from video. Level up your photography with massive 27 megapixel photos and a host of features to make your images stand out. Improved Super Photo automatically analyzes the scene and intelligently applies the best image processing for the shot. Choose HDR photo mode for vivid color and even exposure in any scenario. Or use raw photo mode for ultimate post-production flexibility. Hero12 Black's tall 8x7 sensor delivers an ultra-immersive, extra-large field of view. Now you can capture more of your snowboard, or more of your handlebars. The 8x7 sensor also offers maximum flexibility when it comes to capture. Go from horizontal to vertical capture without rotating the camera. Or shoot in the immersive full-frame video mode for ultimate versatility, which lets you easily crop for vertical or widescreen with the GoPro Quick app. Capture the feel and speed of your activity with Hyperview. This specially designed video mode fits the entire full-frame view into a widescreen experience that maximizes your POV. HyperSmooth 6.0 takes our Emmy-winning video stabilization to the next level, analyzing 4 times the real-time data for impossibly smooth video. Improved Auto Boost dynamically crops into your video, only when needed to provide the highest level of stabilization, but zooms out to maximize your field of view whenever possible. Select Horizon Lock to keep your video level, even when the camera rotates a full 360 degrees. Transform your Hero12 Black into the ultimate POV camera with Max Lens Mod 2.0. The ideal upgrade for your Hero12 Black, Max Lens Mod 2.0 delivers an ultra-wide field of view and unbreakable stabilization at a stunning 4K 60 resolution. Experience a wider field of view, up to 177 degrees for the most epic POV shots in a GoPro camera. Max Super View delivers a widescreen field of view that's 36% larger than Hero12 Black alone. Shoot uncropped vertical video without the need for additional mounts or rotating the camera vertically. Experience vertical video with a massive 48% larger field of view compared to Hero12 Black alone. Take your speed to the next level with Max Hyperview for the ultimate widescreen experience. And unlock the highest level of video stabilization with Max Hypersmooth. All of this is packed into a new slimmed-down design with a 2 times more scratch-resistant lens and improved hydrophobic performance. Max Lens Mod 2.0 is the ultimate accessory for adventure seekers looking for the most immersive POV. GoPro remains a go-to standard in Hollywood, and Hero12 Black delivers professional, industry-leading features. Level up your image quality with 10-bit color. Go from 16.7 million colors with 8-bit to over 1 billion with 10-bit for enhanced color depth, smoother gradation, and more realism in your videos. Take enhanced control over your post-production with the new 10-bit GP Log video profile. This unlocks more dynamic range for advanced color correction. New timecode sync makes multi-camera editing easier than ever. Now you can instantly sync Hero12 Black with precise timecode simply by scanning a QR. With features designed for the pros, every aspect of video production is more seamless. Hero12 Black has enhanced audio features and expanded capabilities to take your storytelling to new heights. Connect your AirPods or Bluetooth devices for video narration.
So we're just making our way down the mountain here. We're gonna go left.
Give voice commands remotely and hear camera alerts through your earbuds.
GoPro, start recording. That is dope.
Expand your Hero12 Black into a creative powerhouse. Up your vlog game with new mic features and enhanced audio tuning with Media Mod.
Look at this.
The water's running, the sun is shining.
Scharf und hier ist das wunderschöne
A
Matterhorn.
host of audio capabilities. Hero12 Black delivers pro-quality sound that makes your adventures come to life.
Let's frickin' send it, baby. Let's go.
Tap into your creativity with easy-to-use modes for shooting a variety of time lapses. Create stunning time-lapse video, day or night, straight out of the camera. No post-processing needed. Get artistic after dark with night effects. And use Time Warp to capture ultra-stabilized time-lapse video while on the move. When it comes to getting the shot, Hero12 Black has you covered with a variety of convenient capture modes. Use Schedule Capture to automatically turn the camera on and start recording. And never miss the moment with Hindsight, which captures up to 30 seconds of video before you even hit record.
Did you see him come out?
Easily interact with Hero12 Black using voice commands in 11 languages.
GoPro, take a photo.
If your camera's out of reach, wirelessly operate your Hero12 Black with the remote. And for total control, the Quick app has you covered. When you're finished shooting, your photos and videos are at your fingertips within the Quick app. And relive your best moments easily with auto-highlight videos. While Hero12 Black is charging, your shots upload to the cloud and a highlight video is sent to you. It's that simple. It's never been easier to view, edit, and share your best GoPro moments. Hero12 Black delivers a platform for endless creativity with best-in-class resolutions, industry-leading technology, and pro features. It's the world's most versatile camera, designed for you to easily capture and share your stories, travels, and most epic moments.